Are you responsible for learning and development in your organization? Creating a culture of continuous improvement can be challenging. The solution? Enhance the learning experience by integrating interactive video content into your training modules. The new interactive video page in simpleshow Video Maker adds powerful elements to your videos. In the AI-generated synopsis, your learners can see your video's key points and learning objectives at a glance. An added link takes them directly to additional learning materials or resources. With the quiz feature, test your learners' knowledge and understanding to encourage active participation and lasting learning. The analytics tool lets you easily view quiz results, track video views, and optimize your training content in real time. Get your messages across more effectively and ensure they are retained. Unleash the full potential of your training content with the new interactive video page from simpleshow.